Hey guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video, and this is a get ready with me. Yay! I am going on a date. Haven't gone on a date in a while. We're gonna get dinner. So it's like later on in the day. So I'm like really excited. Wow, did I say that low? I'm going on a date, you guys. Wow. I haven't gone on a date in a while. I already prepped my face with like some oil. You already know that my brows, I use the Fenty brow pencil and Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel. And yeah, so let's get on to the eyes, shall we? So I'm going to be using the Ciate London New England palette, the Editor New England palette. And it just looks like this right here. I don't know how to what to put in front of this so you don't see it in the mirror, but it looks like that right there. It's just like a whole bunch of shimmers and some mattes. I'm wearing this with like some mustardy yellow pants and a nice black boot and having a black bag to go with it. So I'm gonna try to do like some type of purple, goldy, orange, not corally type of. I'll work with it. Okay, so I swatched some swatches, if you can see it. So I'm gonna take the coral shade in the crease. I'm gonna take like the mauvey nudie shade into the brow bone, blending that out. Put the darker purple on the outer corner, and I'm gonna ombre the pink and the purple. Yeah, I think so. Oh, what about this pinky champagne shade? Put that in the other corner. Oh no. Oh no. We're gonna find out. Okay. Let's do this. I have like oily eyelids, but this actually shows up on my eyelids and like stays on my eyelids even with or without a primer. That's why I like this palette. I was very like surprised with this palette when I got it, because I was like, oh wow, it stays on my oily eyelids and it stays put. Do you not see the pigment? Alright, now I'm gonna go in with like the taupey, like mauve beige shade, put it on my brow bone and blending out that coral shade. Just like blending it out. I used to like never ever put shadow on my brow bone. I used to just blend out the shade with a clean brush, and that is it. I used to like never want to connect the two. It just didn't look right to me back then. And now it doesn't look right without it. It's so weird. That's so weird. Isn't it weird when like style changes and you're like, you can't go back to the way it was? Like the way I do sunset eyes is like totally different from when I started, and it's like I like both of them, and it's like, can I still do the way I used to do? Oh, I should do one of those videos where I follow my tutorial from back then. Oh, that would be funny. That would be funny. Okay, so I did the darker purple on the outside. Now for the shimmers, I don't know if I should put the pink first or should I put the purple? I think I should put the pink first. So I'm gonna put the pink first. So I'm putting the purple on the outside. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm putting it on the outer and in the middle. This is like my favorite shade in the palette. Like I keep on using this shade. This shade is poppin'. Like with all my eye looks that I do with this palette, this taupey purple is always in it. Always in it. It doesn't matter what it is. It's always in it. I kind of just want to put this all over the lid. But I was like, no, I'm gonna do. So I just flip the brush over. I'm doing that pink. And what I like about this is that it's like no fallout too. Oh, that's gorgeous. And how you could just like flip it over just to blend the two. That's why I like having like a clean brush to like flip over. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Yes, I did the right thing. Putting the pink in the inner corner is the right call. Whoo! That is gorgeous. Especially with like the coral and the crease. It goes, in the purple on the outside, it goes great together. Wow. I did it, you guys. I did it. I love it. What do you guys think? For eyeliner, I'm using the Illamasqua eyeliner. To prime my face, I use the Clarins Instant Smooth Primer just to have a nice smooth base. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use my Dose of Colors concealer. I mean, we discovered that this can be a contour for me, a foundation for me, but it can't be a concealer. This is in the shade at 29. Since it oxidizes, that's what it is. It's a foundation shade for me. You could already see it oxidizing. Yeah, you can see it oxidizing. Going right into the skin. Right to my foundation color. Oh, this is so funny. I shouldn't be using all of it on my face because, you know, it can spread. I don't have to keep on like dumping in, but like I'm going out all night. I don't want my whole face to budge. If you haven't noticed, I'm using everything from my Shop My Stash. I'm doing like 3 videos with me using the stuff of my Shop My Stash. I'm doing a Shop My Stash, this Get Ready With Me, and me doing my Thanksgiving look, getting ready with me for Thanksgiving with the Shop My Stash products. You see that? Is this and then it turns into this. Yeah. Oxidizes. So I'm gonna just let it sit before I blend it out. Okay. Now for concealer, we have the Natasha Denona concealers. We have 23N and we have 22R. I'm probably gonna try to use this and then see if I need to use 22R. Looks like this. I already did a review and a first impressions of this. It's very lightweight and I really do like it. And by the way, if you hear stuff, that's just the water. I like this so far. Like this combination. I never did this combination before. So let's see how it. Wait, did you just see that? I didn't have to dunk right back in. Wow. Okay. Let's see how this blends out. For powder, we have the Too Faced Born to Run powder. Wow, I don't know what was filming and what wasn't. So I literally had a mishap. I don't know if that was caught or not, but Too Faced Born to Run powder. I don't really support Too Faced as a brand, so I won't be like reviewing any of their new stuff, even though some of their new stuff caught my eye, especially their holiday releases, because Tarte and Too Faced are known for their holiday releases. Like, they're known for like their, like Tarte has their concealer and Too Faced has their Born This Way brand that everybody likes, and also the hangover primer, which I really do like. It's really horrible when like your favorite moisturizing primer is from the brand that you don't like bangs with anymore. uh but you know, I'll find another one that's kind of like that, hopefully, and it's like in that price range. Ooh, yes. It's like so perfect. So perfect. So perfect. It's like I kind of don't need to do contour, but I kind of still want to. So I'm gonna do contour. Yeah, I'm gonna do contour. Ooh. So before anything, because I really want this to last very long, I am going to spray my face with Smashbox setting spray. This is their photo finish setting spray, weightless setting spray. Oh my gosh. Ooh. And I'm just patting everything in with the same brush that I did the powder. Patting everything seamlessly in. Ooh. Yes! So for lashes and bottom mascara, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Lashes in Eleganza, which is these babies right here. And for bottom lashes, I'm using Smashbox Fan Out Mascara, Super Fan Mascara. I'm just like waiting for it to dry down before I bend them, like before I put that mascara to like mend it together. Alright, for face, I'm using the Tammy X Revolution palette. This is what it looks like. So I don't know if I'm gonna contour today or what. Yeah, there I'm a contour. Okay, so I'm going into contour shade. That's the deepest shade. I'm just gonna like hold my breath and contour my nose. Which I should have done this. I should have done the cream contour so I could have like an outline. And like you saw how I like dipped and then like started doing it. That's what you need to do with these, because this is very pigmented. You see how that like just straight off the back. Yes, just pop it out. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay. Now Let's go. I like to do it to bring my cheeks more up, even though I already got fat cheeks. I like just to hug my cheeks, just bring my face more in. Take some of the double chin off. Now that's it. My face is contoured like heavenly. Like you could tell the difference right away. Like just looking at me, like, oh wow, you're more chiseled than usual. Alright, so I'm going into blush baby girl. That's the red shade as the blush. And put it on the high points of my cheeks, some on the nose, back and forth. Just like putting it on. I don't want like a bronze look because I'm not going into the sun. I don't want like sun glow. Like I could do that with this blush because it's like red. It's giving me like a sunny glow. Okay. Now the part that I'm kind of scared about. You know what? I'm gonna just do the nose contour. The nose highlight first. We're gonna dip into golden hour. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, that's gold. Okay, before I spray my face and let all the powders like melt in and everything. Ooh. I'm kind of regretting my lipstick choice. But we're gonna see if it works. This is from Mented. This is Plum Over, right? Plum On Over. It's like a plum brown mauve, and I thought like it would be great because of the eyeshadow, but like with the blush choice and the highlight choice, I'm just like, do I look like a clown? I don't know. Alright. Seriously, fly, you couldn't have waited. Like the fly just like went right through. I had the window open. I should close the window. Now I'm gonna wait until that fly like goes out the window. Or maybe should I kill the fly? No, I'm not gonna kill the fly. I'm gonna just wait until you're out the window. Okay, so what do you think? This is what I'm wearing. Let me pull it back more for you. This. And then because it's like a little chilly, it's like better in New York. I'm wearing this right here. Just a normal cardigan. It's like a gray cardigan. This, and then my black boots with this black belted purse. Should I wear it like this? Yeah, I'm gonna wear it like this. So what do you guys think? Especially with this look. Did I nail it or not? It's just like a little nice little dinner date. Not going anywhere like fully special, like that I have to really dress up, put heels on and everything else. Just like a first date type thing. So what do you guys think? I look good, right? Yeah, I do. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and thank you for getting ready with me. Everything will be in the description box. That's important. Go check that out. Video right here, head right here. Go check those out. And also, as you could probably tell, this is a premiere, so if you want to keep on talking with me, my social medias is down below in the description box. Go check them out. I love these lashes on me. I'm gonna hold you. Okay, I'm done. Bye, guys.